Hello everyone. Today we'll perform MBRT test. MBRT test, which is known as methylene blue. During milking process, this milk undergoes various types of milking. Once it comes out from the udder, there is milking. So hands are like in direct contact with the milk. Then there is utensils in which it is collected, from their transportation and packaging. So all these involves like there is a increase in microbial load. So what by this test? Microbial load, there will be more oxygen demand, less microorganisms, or we can say bacteria, right? So what will happen, there will be less oxygen requirement by the bacteria, by the multiplying bacteria. So oxidation reduction potential point 1, there is a decrease in oxidation reduction potential. So in this case we add a dye which is known as methylene blue. So we add a drop of 1 ml methylene blue, right, in the milk sample. So what will happen, this methylene blue generally in oxidized form, right? So whenever they are oxidized, they are blue in color. So when they will reduced, they'll appear leucoform, right? White in color. Leuco means white in color. White is because so the nitrogen bond, that is azo group, which that double bond gets broken and it gets converted in single bond. So it gets converted into leucoform, right? So because of that azo, it has blue color. So when we add a dye, this 1 ml dye, so if there is a more bacteria, right? So since oxygen will depleted, right? So this dye, it will get reduced, and if there is more bacteria, so that will get faster. If there is less bacteria, there is less metabolism, so this dye will get reduced later on, right? So it will take time. So based on that, we observe, we interpret, right, how much time they have taken. Milk get decolorized from the blue to leuco after 30 minutes, then it is considered a good quality, right? Based on that, if it is taking more time, longer time it takes for reduction or white leuco color, it is considered of good quality, right? And the faster it gets reduced or get converted into white form, it is considered of poor quality. So today we'll perform this test. For that, we have this dye. We have two milk samples with us. This is non-pasteurized from the local dairy farm, right? And this is from Amul. This is pasteurized one. So what we will do, we'll take 10 ml of both the samples, right? This non-pasteurized, we have written NP, that is non-pasteurized. So I will take this 10 ml. Here we have marked P, that is pasteurized. Here this is NP, non-pasteurized, P pasteurized. Another one is NP, non-pasteurized. 1 ml to this. Okay, now we'll mix both the sample. Now we'll keep both these samples at 37 degrees Celsius, right? 7. And we will see color after every 10 to 15. We are going to add this over here. We have kept both the samples, right? And so now after 3 hours, you can see the color has changed, right, in this one, which is non-pasteurized, which we have taken as loose from the local dairy. And this is bottled one, right, pasteurized one, P. You can see color over here, right? And this is, there is, the color is decolorized. So now you can see, so this one, this was non-pasteurized, that was, it was taken this local vendor loose sample, and this was pasteurized. This, since it was pasteurized, there was less bacteria in this, right? So it took more time, or see, it is still blue, its color has faded, but microbial load is less. Whereas in this one, you can see it is completely white, or it is present at the top, right? That means milk is completely like it is dye is completely reduced now. So that means, what does it mean? After 3 hours, like still the microbial load is less in this, and the microbial load or bacterial load in this is quite high. That's why all these microbes, the bacteria, right, they use the oxygen, and after that, this dye, they became the electron acceptor, right? And their azo group, they lost that double bond, and it got converted into this one, what you call complete leucoform. So this indicates now both the samples they took more than 3 hours. So both the samples we can say they were of good quality. More bacterial load in this one, there was less microbial load. Further, there is a what you call chart where I can show you, right? If it is like it is being reduced within 15 to 30 minutes, right? That means it is of poor quality. If it is taking more time, right? If it is taking more than 3 hours, so it is of good quality milk, right? So we can consider, since both of them took more than 3 hours, right, to get this one decolorize. So we can say both were good quality of milk. But when we talk about the microbial load, the load was more in this one, non-pasteurized one, whereas in this one there was load less microbial. Both the milk has decolorized. That means in both the samples, microbial load was more, and they have what you call reduced this methylene blue, right? They converted into leucoform.